What has been the most challenging part of being a trio, and do you feel like anything is still missing? They're perfect.
Wala. Walang
They're
kulang para
perfect.
sa'min.
Mm.
Actually, mas naging
Mas naging
kumpleto nga kami
kumpleto.
nung
Yes,
Diba nas-
Big
I agree.
Three.
But it is difficult kasi
Out of all of them,
pag malaki yung stage, syempre
I think
kailangan mas magaling tayo kumanta kasi we can't hide
Althea
behind
improved
each
a
other.
lot.
There's three of us. We gotta fill the stage with our...
Tatlo lang tayong
Because I've been seeing like
lyrics. So,
some of
ibig
them
sabihin more
are saying
pagod
that
yun kasi
Althea's
Yes.
not
sing lang
confident
siya ng
with her
lahat.
Yeah, and dance,
voice as
especially
well.
if we have no backup dances.
Yeah, that's true as
And
well.
also we can't get sick.
Yeah.
There's no
And I think
replacement.
on
And we
X,
gotta
I think
show up for
Althea
each
said
other.
that she
Yeah.
wasn't like
At saka kasi,
confident with her
that's
smile.
also the reason why we dropped the positions. Kasi
She's
we
very
have to
pretty
fill
when she's
everything
smiling.
up
Yes.
Yes.
for each other.
Isip
Exactly.
natin, ganto ka lang,
Yes,
dito
yes.
ka lang
Exactly.
Kailangan sa lahat ng aspect, lahat ng bagay.
Yes.
That's
Kaya once again, guys, walang positions ang G2S2.
Yes.
So,
So, yung mga nababasa yung articles or what na may positions na nakalagay, ididebak na rin natin.
Yes,
na wala na
'cause,
pong
wala na
yes.
po.
for example,
as we grew
Althea
din, we wanna
Althea's like
yeah, we're equally
their
capable of
Yes.
their lead dancer back then,
We
or
wanna
main
grow
dancer
without
back then.
boundaries, ganon.
Yes, totoo yan.
But
Parang dulo pa lang ng
AJ
2022, wala na eh.
Wala na talaga.
improved a
Kasi,
lot,
di ba nga, parang yung laban natin,
and
tinatry natin i-prove,
Jazz
diba?
improved
Lahat,
so
yes, yes.
so so much.
Pa-update ng Wikipedia.